What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video on the channel. Now today I'm going to be giving you 3 back to school outfits. Now I know this summer went by way too quick. I can't believe it's already over, and the last thing you probably want to think about is school. When I was super young, I used to lay out my clothes and sleep next to it so I'll be ready in the morning. I used to be so weird. But anyway, not only is the first day of school outfit very important, following days are important as well. So that's why I have 3 different outfits for you guys. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into them. Okay, so starting off with the first outfit, this one is for the lazy boys. Now, I'm sure we've all been there. We didn't go to sleep till like 3 a.m. that night, and the next morning we have to be up at 7 a.m. for school. And because of that, you don't care one bit about your outfit. I mean, it happens to all of us at one time or another. So when that day comes, I got you guys. For this outfit right here, like I said, this is for the lazy boys. So you want to throw on a simple graphic tee. Now, the one I have right here is from Supreme. This is like this red King of New York t-shirt. But like I always say, it's not about the brand, it's how you rock it. You can find a t-shirt that looks just like this at PacSun, Urban Outfitters, places like that. And then the bottoms, which are really important. You don't want to wear a pair of jeans because who likes to be in school in some jeans? I mean, it's probably the most uncomfortable thing. But that's why right here I have these Nike track pants. Now, these are very versatile because they can go with almost any weather. If it's rain, shine, snow, you can always wear these pants. And they're super comfy, like I said, so when you're snoozing away, it makes it that much better. And then for the sneakers, you want to go pretty basic, pretty simple, and that's why I went with a pair of Air Force Ones in the white colorway. I mean, at this point, who doesn't love Air Force Ones? It's kind of a staple in anyone's wardrobe, mainly because it looks good with all outfits, especially when you have a pair of track pants on. And I'm talking about track pants like these, like has a little baggage to them. They're not so like skin tight. And sometimes in school they have the air conditioner on blast, freezing everybody to death. So with this outfit, you can go ahead and change that graphic tee for a crew neck. It's nice and light, nothing too heavy, but it still looks very clean. Now, the one I have right here is the Champion crew neck, but you can go with pretty much any crew neck. You don't really have to be brand specific, but this right here would be super clean, keep you somewhat warm, you know, not too hot. You don't want to be sweating in class, but it still looks very stylish. Okay guys, so next fit up, we have the athleisure look. Now, this is probably one of my favorites because it's laid back, but it's not too laid back. Like, you're not looking bummy, but at the same time, you're not overdressed. It's just perfect in my opinion. So for this first fit, I have this flannel here. This is from Urban Outfitters. I got this on sale. It was like 21 bucks. You really can't beat it, especially in this yellow, green, and red colorway. The color blocking is amazing on this one. Now, underneath the flannel, you want to keep it very simple because the flannel is very loud. So I just have this white t-shirt and it says undefeated on the front in like this really small print, which is very nice, nothing too crazy. You don't want to have a really loud graphic t-shirt and then on top of that have a loud flannel. It's just distracting to the eye in my opinion. And then for the bottom, I went with a pair of black shorts. It's like this nylon short, so it's very comfortable, very breathable as well. And I like my shorts above the knee. I don't know about you guys, but I just think that looks way better. Maybe it's because I'm a shorter guy, so it just makes me look a little taller. But I don't really like that over the knee look. But if you like it, go ahead and do it. And then on the feet, you gotta go with a pair of nice, clean, simple Vans. Now, this isn't your ordinary pair of Vans. They're like a special kind. It looks like an off-white collab low-key because it's like all deconstructed. So these are like a slip-on, but it has laces. It's really fire. I'll leave a link to them in the description below if you guys like them. Again, you don't have to go with this pair exactly. You can go ahead and go to the Vans store and get a pair. But I like these because they are different. Not everyone's gonna have them in school. So that's what I really like about it. There's some red hits on the shoe, which is why I went with it because it matches the stripes on the flannel. Overall, super clean fit, very comfortable. Again, you don't have to go with this exact look. You can go ahead and take pieces that you like and mesh it with your style. Okay, so for this last look, I call this the Preppy boy, even though it's not too preppy because it has some streetwear elements in it. So for the top, I have this gray Fear of God Essentials t-shirt. But again, you can go ahead and go with any gray t-shirt. It does not matter about the brand. What really matters is the fit. And then for the pants, this is why I call it Preppy Boy because it's like this plaid pair of Levi's. Now, it's hard to see from a distance, but these do have vertical and diagonal stripes on them. Even though it's really hard to tell from a distance because they are navy, so you really can't see the stripes too well unless you're really up close. And then for the sneakers, I went with the ASOS vegan leather sneaker. Now, this is a must-have in your closet because these were only 23 bucks. And you can wear them almost all the time. It's almost the same as the Air Force One, but obviously it doesn't have any branding. I really like this fit, like if you have a presentation that day, or if you're trying to impress some girl that you like that's been dubbing you all summer, now you want to get her attention. And if you want to spice it up even a little more, which adds some more rawness, more streetwearness. Is that a word? If you want to add something a little bit more streetwear to this outfit, you can go ahead and put on a side bag. Now, it's always essential to have a side bag. I mean, sometimes you don't want to carry a backpack. Side bag's very nice to have. The one I have right here is a Supreme one, but like I said, you can get one from ASOS for like 15 bucks. Especially when you're like in the higher grades, a lot of people don't carry backpacks. So I mean, if your school is cool with it, you can go ahead and rock the side bag. Add some spice to your outfit. It looks really good. All right, guys, so that's it for me. Let me know what you think about the outfits and what you're rocking this back to school. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe, hit that like button. Enjoy the rest of your summer, and I will see you in the next one.